This Christmas, I was experimenting with more advanced techniques to make a more realistic dinosaur than ever before, and now I'll tell you how I did it. First, I cut out the sides of the head and the body from sponge foam, then taped them into a 3D shape, splitting out both the tip of the snout and back of the head by adding triangular wedges of foam in between. I taped down the lip with more masking tape to make the horny beak. Inside the head is a single cardboard flap attached to both jaws, so when I pull on it, the mouth will close. Sponge is actually very common for engineering professional animatronics because it's easy to carve and can preserve the body's bulk, making it more fleshed out and giving more realistic resistance to movement, unlike my other puppets that simply drape skin in between the head and body. I'm not abandoning my old techniques completely since I still covered the beak and inside of the mouth with airlight clay, which conceals all the masking tape inside and also allows me to etch lines into the beak. For the skin, I wrapped the whole thing in bubble wrap, which creates realistic folds in the skin, and made the eyes out of paper clay that I could just stick on there. Then I painted the entire package with liquid silicone. The silicone gives a realistic skin texture and covers all of the seams in the foam. However, I learned the hard way that you can't actually paint silicone. The surface is too greasy for paint to stick, so this time I had to spray paint the finished product. And that's how you make a professional grade dinosaur puppet at home. This Edmontosaurus will be used in future videos, so stay tuned. Until then, I would like to note that my short film, The Ghost of Mammoth's Past, just won Best Horror at Cineplay International Film Festival. The festival takes place online on January 25th, so if you'd like to support me, please give the film a watch right now. Or maybe tune in on the day itself. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe, share, like, and comment.